Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Worked too many hours in 4 days, so they gave me Friday off. Cloudy today, humid, but it's going back to the hot ass Florida, which is all good for me. I'm gonna go check my trap. Hopefully I got a couple damn crabs and nobody found it. Nice breeze. Headed up that way, down yonder. We're off. Headed up river, check the trap. I put it closer because it was way up the river, and shit, I ain't gonna check it that far every time. Professional crabbers used to drop in here, so I remember where they had their crab traps. They don't no more. So I should be getting crab. I didn't put a buoy on it this time, so let's see if someone found it. I want to put 3 more traps in, but not until I know I'm catching crab and no one's taking them. Or it's going to take all my traps. Just dropped in it. Green Ranch Road and Grand Boulevard, Holiday, Florida. At the bridge. Seen a gator come right off of there. I don't know how big he was. Little guy always hangs out here. I know there's big guys in here. I've seen him a few times. He's under, and you can't see him in this water. It's dark. They hide very well. I stay in the middle because it's shallow over here. It's real shallow. A little higher than it normally is when we come. Tide is coming in. I checked it. Not one damn crab. Unbelievable. Maybe the crabs ain't eating. I don't damn know. Alright, we're going back up the other way. I went before. Go out further towards Pinellas County. So let's get on that. I cannot believe it. Again and again. I've had no luck. Alright, headed south. I'm still stumped. Still stumped. I cannot believe there ain't nothing in there. I used to catch so much crab in here. I had 2 last time from that spot, but that was it. I don't know. I used to get a dozen, 2 dozen, 2 or 3 days. And I believe I forgot a damn lighter. Shame on me. There's that boy floating around up there. I see him now. Let's see if we catch him swimming. Man, they see me from a distance. Yeah, you're not gonna spot him. He was right there. Right there. The clouds. Mighty nice. Uh-oh, hitting the bottom. Let me go deeper. Cruising south for an hour, and then I'm going to come back an hour. No crabs. I gotta get better bait. I gotta check it more often, obviously. I let it for 3 days. I guess it's too long. Shit got eaten up, but there's half a mullet in there, and I had 2 mullet. And then I had 4 other, I forgot what the other fish were called. But yeah, unbelievable. I don't have time to do it like that, but I gotta figure something out. get a trap they can't get out of. Hell, I paid $60 for that trap. Take it back and get a refund, right? Riverside living over yonder. Tide should be coming in. Got mullet jumping. Maybe one will jump in here. And I'll put it in my trap. I'm just laughing because I had a friend of mine one time up front, and a mullet jumped and hit her in the damn face. It was the funniest damn thing I ever saw in my life. It wasn't funny at the moment, but afterwards it was a good laugh. Good laugh. We got boxers. Anclote River. This is Anclote River going south into Pinellas. Alright, I'm headed back in. Upset I didn't get no damn crab. I'm gonna go on a different river next time, most definitely. So maybe we'll go with the Chazz River next time. So please do hit subscribe, follow, and check me out for my next adventure. We will be hitting the Chazz River.